If you are unable to import your audio file in DaVinci Resolve, and it is showing this error symbol, even if you try to drop the audio in the media pool and you see nothing, one of the possible reasons could be the free version of DaVinci Resolve, because it does not support the format of the audio you are trying to import. Here is the simple solution for this problem. Just import that audio file into another video or audio editor. For example, free version of CapCut supports wide variety of audio file formats. And you can now export the audio file in an mp3 format. Now if you try to import this new file into DaVinci, you can see this file. Always remember that this may reduce the audio quality little bit. But the fun fact is that if you are using free version of DaVinci, it means your client is not paying you enough money, so don't hesitate to compromise with the quality while dealing with such clients. Otherwise, you can buy studio version of DaVinci Resolve to get rid of such problems, or use any audio converter. Thanks for watching.